This is a wonderful place. Nice little house in the trees right over there. Nobody ever bothering me. My own private driveway. A lot of Christmas trees. Hell yeah. We'll go over here again. Ran out of batteries last time before I got around the corner. I was coming down here. I turned off over there. And this is a great view again. Right down through here. And around the corner over on this side over here. Some caves. Great view of the mountains today. The sun keeps popping out every once in a while. Hopefully it will while I'm doing this video. Makes it so much nicer. Battery died last time. I was just coming over here and we were listening to the wind. Here he is again, my brother. I can count on him over on this side. Hear him? Yeah, remember? Yeah, we were just over there. And my battery died when I came up to here. I was going to come around here and show you some nice boulders perched and ready. Have been for about 300 years probably. On the sides here. Some nice ones. If you look, big boulders. Just sitting on the edges, waiting to tumble down. That's in case we attack from the rear. The derriere. Mes amis. We got big boulders over here. Perched on the edge. Same. Brother Wynn, what do you say? He knows he's my favorite brother. Here, quiet down. Okay, yeah, there's some nice boulders here. Some nice manzanita growing there. I don't know if there's any madrone. I think I saw some back. Yeah, there's some madrone over there. These are all rhododendrons. Kind of goes around to this little section off the side. Not much of a concern as far as anybody coming this way. It comes up to a bluff and incredibly steep drop off. Four-wheeling anybody? So I like to hear anyway. This is just shoved up on the edge. You can see this side as well. Incredibly steep bank right here. There's the tops of trees. Right, Wind? Hey, brother. I hear ya, man. I hear ya, my brother. Blow, man. A little more. I hear you, man. Thank you, God, for everything, including my brothers. Peace, birds. Gonna go back over here to my Jeep, hang out for a while, play some Bob Dylan, Blonde on Blonde. First triple album ever made, by the way. There's it's on CD in my Jeep. Anyway, get up to this ridge right here, then I'll end this video. Say goodbye to my brother Win. Bye, brother Win. Don't you love him? Peace, man. Back to the Jeep. Right there. One more look at this little. I kind of like this today, this, because it's got snow on it. Nice view. Namaste, birds.